Hi everybody, welcome to my video on information resources for legal education types in print format. In this video, I am going to tell you about the types of information resources available in print format for legal education and research. Firstly, we have to know that there are two formats in the recorded information resources, that is print and electronic formats. Some of the print resources are available in electronic format also, but all the print resources are not available in electronic format. Similarly, all electronic resources are not available in print format. Therefore, there are advantages and disadvantages for the both print and electronic formats. Both of them have their own distinct features and benefits. In addition to this, you may find many types of information sources based on the content, structure, characteristics, and publication methods. These sources are classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Primary sources are first published, original, and scientific in nature. The quantity of these is very large, and these can be accessed with the help of secondary and tertiary sources. Examples are journals, reports, patents, scientific publication, etc. The secondary sources are published by compilation based on the primary sources. Primary sources are selected, modified, and rearranged in required format and published as secondary sources to meet the needs of a particular group of users. The examples for these are textbooks, monographs, encyclopedias, manuals, etc. The tertiary sources contain collected and distilled information from primary and secondary sources. The basic function of tertiary sources is to locate primary and secondary sources to ease the user in finding the resources. The examples for these are bibliographies, directories, guides to literature, etc. Now I will tell a little more about these resources. First, I will take periodicals or serials. Periodicals or serials, you can also call it as social publications due to their importance and usefulness. These have a periodicity in publication like monthly, quarterly, yearly, etc. and cited with volume number, issue number, and part number. These contain new information, findings of a research, articles, reviews, comments, news, etc. These are more up to date and usually peer reviewed before publication. The examples for these are journals, reports, magazines, newspapers, etc. Next one is research reports. Research reports are produced and published by agencies, government departments, research establishments, charitable foundations, and other institutions on specific topics or disciplines. These reports are useful in providing up-to-date information, reports of events, current views, opinions, recommendations, technical information, statistics, and other data that you could not find anywhere else. Next one is patents. Patents are official and legal documents which are given to the owners of the inventions to provide exclusive rights to make profit and protecting it from exploitation by others. To use their inventions, others have to get the prior agreement or permission of the patent's owners. These are important because these are the first reports of commercially sensitive research. These contain detailed descriptions, designs, formulas, methods, and other illustrations. These can show trends in research and development and also applications of new technology. Next one is conference proceedings. Conference proceedings consist of a collection of papers presented or delivered at conferences and seminars. These are output resources of primary research, and this is the first place the information has been made public. These usually contain current issues in a particular field, are often debated at conferences. These have the title of the conference, organizing body, conference editors, and papers with presenters' details. Next one is standards. Standards are consensus agreements drawn up by representative collections of people who have a particular interest in a specific subject. These could be manufacturers, users, research organizations, government departments, etc. These may offer guidance on recommended procedures, prescriptive designs, and testing methods. Next one is theses and dissertations. Theses submitted for doctoral degrees and dissertations submitted for master degree programs are major resources of primary research output. Every year, large number of theses and dissertations are submitted to the universities and education institutions all over the world. The output of these could initiate further research in the field of studies. Next one is dictionaries and encyclopedias. Dictionaries deal with meaning, grammar, pronunciation of words of a language or a particular subject. You may get bilingual or multilingual dictionaries, thesaurus, and Latin maxims. Encyclopedias are giving all significant information for a given concept. It gives information on all branches of knowledge or a specific subject. You may get general encyclopedias, subject encyclopedias, national and regional encyclopedias. Next one is handbooks. Handbooks are books contain procedures, principles, tables, graphs, statistics, etc. You may get general handbooks, statistical handbooks, historical handbooks, literary handbooks, subject handbooks, and practical handbooks. Next one is yearbooks. Yearbooks are also called annuals. These are one of the serial publications printed and distributed every year. These contain information in a particular year in one or more subjects in brief, descriptive, and statistical form. You may get international, national, and state yearbooks. Next one is books. Books are the most popular information resources among the students and teaching faculty, starting from kindergarten to higher education and from a layman to a subject expert. Under the books, you may get many more categories like textbooks, reference books, monographs, treatises, etc. In general, books provide basic or in-depth overview of a subject, good grounding in a discipline, expression of differing ideas, theories, opinions, facts, and figures. Next one is bibliographies. Bibliographies contain descriptive information on the published literature. These list out the available information resources in a particular subject. These contain name of authors, titles, publishers, publication details, etc. Next one is biographical resources. Biographical resources deal with brief description of very eminent personalities associated with an area of expertise. These contain full name, pseudonym, birth details, education, institutions served, achievements, awards received, and publications details of the eminent personalities. Here you will get international, national, regional, and local biographical resources. And the last one is geographical resources. Geographical resources deal with the physical surface of the earth, its divisions, climate, plants, animals, natural resources, people, etc. Here you will get maps, atlases, globes, gazetteers, travel guides, etc. At last, many types of print resources are not listed and mentioned here because they are not very much necessary when it comes to print resources related to legal education and research. This is all about the types of information resources available for legal education and research. So in upcoming videos, you will see many things regarding legal resources. If you are interested to watch these videos, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe to my videos to get notifications. Thank you.